Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SOFI 6 days ago on October the 30th of this year, where the price of this asset was, as you can see right here on pre-market hours, at $10.58. And my main assumption was that we have to see deeper retracement, we have to form ABC correction to the downside, and we have to land somewhere below $9.3 mark in the medium-term perspective. And guys, I have to say that I caught the movement to the tick when it hit $12 mark, and then I predicted this retracement. And guys, take a look right here. We have an amazing movement to the upside, and for now I have to say that we are retesting the previous swing high. And I have to say that today's trading session will be crucial for this asset, and in my technical analysis I will show you what I'm talking about. But guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and let's take a look again at its price action. I have to say that it is very debatable whether we completed the ABC correction at this point at 9.87, or we have an extension in the B-web. And in just several minutes I will show you what I'm talking about, but for now let's take a look at the fundamentals. I have to say that all the stocks, basically, as you can see on your right side, are in green because of the election results. And I think Donald Trump won this race, and he will be the 47th president of the United States of America. And he said a lot in his program what will be his next steps, what will be his next actions in terms of the economy of the United States of America. And guys, take a look right here. We have Chinese stocks on pre-market hours deeply in red, but all the US stocks are in green. Pretty much all of them are in green. And definitely this movement might continue, and potentially we might see an all-time high for the entire market. But let's take a look on the news that are directly related to SOFI. If you type in Google search bar SOFI stock and switch to news tab folder, we still have very substantial bullish pressure on SOFI, and definitely this news might lead you to the conclusion that SOFI will go much higher on the upcoming sessions. But if you take a look right here, and this is the list of institutional investors, especially if you take a look on the most recent updates, you can see that a lot of companies closed their positions entirely. And as you can see, just one of them added $99,000 as a new position in SOFI. And in general, we have mixed filings right here. Some companies reduced its positions, some companies opened new positions. And I have to say that if you take a look on the general sentiment, if you take a look at this chart, it is the institutional ownership of SOFI technologies. You can see that the highest level ever for SOFI was made in October. That is why more and more institutional investors want to see SOFI in their investment portfolios. But at the same time, guys, we don't have quite high price targets for SOFI. According to TipRanks, the consensus analyst price target for the next 12 months is just $8.63, which implies almost 25% of downside potential. And according to TipRanks, we have pretty much a similar price target at $9.32, which implies about 18.4% of downside potential. And I have to say that the updates were made just recently. About a week ago, Goldman Sachs boosted the price target from $7.5 to $8.5, which is still about 25% below the current price of SOFI. That is why, guys, you have to be cautious with your position, but let's take a look at its price action again. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, why I'm confused about this structure? First of all, this movement to the downside, in my opinion, is not enough to be ABC correction, entire ABC correction. Let's switch to 5 minutes time frame and let me show you this in details. As you can see, it is right here. We have to see 3 waves inside this movement, but it is very difficult even on 5 minutes time frame to make this assumption. That is why, guys, we have quite decent chances to have this as our A wave, this as our extension in a B wave, and depending on the price action on today's session, on the regular hours, we might conclude whether this forecast is reality or not, because we have first wave to the downside, we have 3 waves in the B wave, as you can see, 1, 2, 3. And we might have another leg to the downside that should complete the C wave. In favor of this forecast is the following data. If you take a look on the recent price action, you can see that the third wave, the movement from the beginning of September till end of October, lasts for almost 2 months. And we cannot have just one session of retracement that can unload this quite long structure. That is why wait a second, that is why I have a lot of doubts that this is the bottom of the fourth wave. I still think that we might have another leg to the downside, but everything will be more visible right after today's session. And guys, what should you do if you want to trade this stock? I have to say that if you switch to daily time frame and if you take a look at indicators, you can see that potentially we already unloaded the bearish divergence, because we had lower highs on our side with higher highs on the price action. But at the same time, guys, we are still in the border in between overbought and neutral territory. And according to MACD, this asset is losing its momentum. And we are about to see the crossover, which indicates that potentially we might see a negative momentum on this stock. That is why, guys, today's session should be crucial, and we have to see the end of today's session, and we have to see where the daily candle will be closed. And depending on the range of this price action, we might anticipate the next movement. But so far, I highly encourage you not to be in a hurry, not to rush any of your trades, because we have to see more signals from the market. And definitely the euphoria on the market is dedicated to the election results, and this euphoria might not last quite a long period of time. That is why you have to be cautious. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.